We pledge ourselves
to
liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness we say. The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a fi all of me dogs in the streets and the road is a crunch time, crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main feel the pain and it's tough time, tough time. All who they a walk goes on the tear and the other face tough time. That's all you know. Just hold up your weight and a nothing for a giant, them your rough time. Simple thing to a giant. Life is a delicate subject and a predicate. Badness not elevate, fuck a lot of delegate. Mama say never the fret, youths now we say intellect. Mistake which I correct, live life with no regret. The ladder of success will feature. Fly prison door, give me the visa. With jailhouse man a star and cleaner. The dirty might have but we cleaner. It's like we all of me dogs in the streets with the road is a crunch time, crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main feel the pain and it's tough time, tough time. All who they a walk goes on the tear and the other face tough time. Just hold up your weight and a nothing for your giant, them your rough time. A baby thing. Now the value of struggling go on to fit out. Now let them break you, go and hold it out. Me no left confidence on me yard when me rolling out. No look no cloud. Shout can't top me now me face or box me now me mouth. A real revolutionist me and knock up scout. 400 million Negroes calling out. Redemption songs will be balling out. All of me dogs in the streets with the road is a crunch time, crunch time, crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main feel the pain and it's tough time, tough time. All who they a walk goes on the tear and the other face love time. Too much time. Just hold up your weight and a nothing for your giant, them your rough time. From the youths on 9 mile to the youths on 3 mile. Wish me every juvenile a tranquil domicile. Place get vile, too much bad man style. Up in me coming a one that pan me profile. Show the ghetto youth them a better way. I no see that the system is set away. The sun come out tomorrow is a better day. It's a hard knock life need better pay. So all of me dogs in the streets with the road is a crunch time, crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main feel the pain and it's tough time, tough time. All who they a walk goes on the tear and the other face love time. Just roll up your weight and a nothing for your giant, them your rough times. Bill, yo, I miss a McGregor Gully, I miss a Burger Gully. Yeah, miss a Robert Crescent. Yeah, me say the whole of jungle. I miss a Shopside, yeah, and I don't know. Surrounding communities, Maxfield, Waltham, the whole place, and I don't know. Straight back to Mobile, yeah, Granville. I miss a Glendevon, the whole of Salt Spring. Every garrison, every community, the whole of Jamaica, worldwide, universal, universal. Does love see I? Big up yourself, scientist, big up yourself.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. Yo, I want to thank all the subscribers, all the viewers. We keeping the fire burning. If it wasn't for y'all, Jamaica first, country first, would never be anywhere. Country girl, big up yourself, even though you're not talking to me. Arizona boss, I am still here. I know you never believe in me, but you see countryman pushing through. Alright? With that said, we are talking about this guy named Jonty from Grenada, and he was killed in June 2023. So that was what, 3 months ago. And what was unique about this case? Tyler Perry and a young lady by the name of Yvette. She was born in Grenada. She's Grenadian. She is Beyonce's advisor, and she is Beyonce's publicist. So Tyler Perry said that she called him and it touched his heart. She was crying because she's like a mother to Jonty, and they put up $100,000 reward for the capture of Jonty. Now, like I said, this is a unique story. Jonty is a gay guy, and I guess he does hair and certain things, and it seems like he is, I would say, an upper class gay man, young guy, and his father is a police officer. But the thing with Jonty, from what I am getting, is that Jonty is very, very promiscuous. So when he died, at first they said it was an accident, and then they called in an autopsy expert from Trinidad, a professor, and he came and he did a second autopsy and said Jonty was strangled. Now, the police was baffled because everybody on their radar, they didn't come up with anything. Jonty was living with a guy, and the guy told Jonty's cousin, a female, that Jonty is very promiscuous. So the police thought he had something to do with it. With that said, the police got a fucking link, because you have a guy was out there talking and running up his mouth, and this guy doesn't look gay. This is what he looks like. That's the guy right there. His name is Javed Raymond. And if you look at this young man don't look like him have a gay bone in his body. But he confessed to the police that him and Jonty was on the beach, and it seems like they were doing their nastiness. I don't even want to think about it, tell you the honest truth, guys and gals. But they were doing their nastiness, and as you see, Jonty, he's a very, very promiscuous fellow. And they got in an argument, and Raymond strangled him and threw him off of the cliff. So when he was in the water, at first they thought he bumped his head and this and that accident, but yeah, this guy right here, Javed Raymond, look at him now. He doesn't look like he has a gay bone in his body, but obviously he's the guy and Jonty is the girl. And yeah, he is charged with the murder of Jonty. Now, the police is saying that they're not sure if anybody will collect that $100,000 reward. But it seems like this youth here, Raymond, run up his mouth and somebody put the police onto him because he was not in their radar. Now, with that said, I'm about to wrap this up, and I just wanted to drop this, you know what I'm saying, show you guys the kind of stuff that's going on in the Caribbean. A lot of people think, oh, it's only America, this, that, and these kind of crime happen. More and more frequent. The gay community is taking over the Caribbean, and you know, to each his own, but when you have the gay Caribbean men, they're some of the worst kind of gay faggots. They loud, they rude. You know, I remember one time I was in a store, and I think this guy, I don't want to tell a lie, he looked like he was African, or he was from Jamaica or the Caribbean, I'm not too sure, but he walked in the store, and I guess his boyfriend was in line in the store, and this guy walking and quote, I'm quoting this now, he said, "Bitch ass nigga, you wanna fuck around with me? I will SUCK all these niggas DICK in this store." And that's what the man said. I said, man, so these homosexuals, they outrageous, especially the ones them in the Caribbean. Listen, let me know what you think about this. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.